Hello everyone, I am Annu Yadav from the group number 316. I am here to discuss about a topic. Okay, we should start next about the topic. So, my topic is the biomechanics, topic number 12.7. Okay, the biomechanics is the study of the mechanical aspects of the biological system that focus on the how the organism should move, how the organism interacts with the muscular systems, how its mechanics works, how the biology and the physiology force interact with the living tissues. Okay, the fundamental concepts of this biomechanics are force, motion, mechanics. Of the force is the push or pull that an object uh, to move or deform. A force can arise from a muscle contraction or the gravity. Okay, the motion is the movement or describes by velocity or acceleration, displacement. And mechanics is the branch of science that studies the behavior of the physical body under the action of forces. Okay, now the applications of the biomechanics are human movement, sports biomechanics, agronomics, rehabilitation, and prosthetics, and orthotics. Okay, human movement is the analyzing of the performance, analyzing of the walking, jumping, other physical activities. Hmm. Okay, the sports biomechanism is the understanding of mechanics of sports movements to of the athletics, the performance to reduce the risk or injuries. Agronomics is the biomechanical principles to design the tools and the for the workplaces and the system that optimize the human well-being. Okay, and rehabilitation is the biomechanical assessment of the prosthetics that we have designed to for our patient and all that. The prosthetic and orthotics, the designing artificial limbs or the to support the injury of the patient for the movement and the function of the patient. Okay, the key components of the biomechanics are the kinetics, tissue mechanics, and the fluid mechanics. Kinematics, we know that is the movement of the study, the motion regarding the force, and the kinetics is the study of the force that causes the movement. That it includes internal forces that we are study is done by the muscles, the bone, and the ligaments. Okay, tissue mechanics is the understanding of the mechanical properties of the tissues in the biological system. Fluid mechanics is the study of the forces act within the biological fluid system, that is circulatory and respiratory system. And so next we will study the about the measurement techniques. Okay, so we capture the motion capture, force plates, electromyography, and imaging techniques. Okay, motion capture, it is the record of the movements done by us or done by the prosthetics or orthopedics that we use to analyze the data. The force plates are the measure the ground reaction during the activities like walking and jumping. Electromyography is the technique that used to measure the electrical activity and the providing insights into the muscles function during the movement. Okay, imaging techniques like MRI, CT scans, ultrasound to visualize the analyze the structure and the function of the biological tissues. So these are the measurement techniques for our prosthetics we do for our prosthetics to make in the biomechanics. So we next we do is the mathematical modeling. It is the biomechanical systems that are modeled using mathematical equations to predict the movement, understanding the relationships of the tissue with the structure mechanics, using between the different variables. So prosthetic is made. We made prosthetics, orthopedics, that is the artificial limbs in the biomechanics to help our injured patients. Prosthetics refers to the design development and use of the artificial techniques, devices to replace missing limbs or the body parts. Its aim is the restore the function of the enhance the mobility and improve the quality of the life of the individual that is suffering very from the lost limbs or the injuries, the congenital conditions. Okay. Biomechanics is also used in the robotics, and we study animal biomechanics also. Okay. So there are type of prosthetic, that is upper limb prosthetics, and that is is cosmetic prosthetics and functional prosthetics. The cosmetic prosthetic is just for the appearance and do not have any functional capabilities. Functional prosthetics are the provide the movement and the functions. Lower limb prosthetics are which it are these are made to replace use these are made in the place of the legs and the feet, including transtibial, transfemoral, foot and ankle prosthetics. And this is the component of the prosthetic: socket, pylon, foot, hand. And there are myoelectric prosthetics also that utilize the electrical signals generated by the muscle contractions to control the movement and allowing them for to move more naturally. Okay. They are making more are power body powered prosthetics, use cables and the to harness to control